Alright guys, today is a big day. Today we are going to an exhaust shop to get a muffler and resonator delete. But that's not just it. We're also putting some unequal length headers on the car today as well. So I mean, we're getting a full, almost a full, custom exhaust system today. So the car is going to definitely wake up today and be a lot louder. We got Scronalicious. He's going to be helping us, and we'll see how this goes. The car's going to probably be stupid loud, and if it's too loud, you know, we'll mess around with it and get it how I like it. But I want it to be loud right now. So, all right, guys, heading to the muffler shop now. All right, guys, there is the FRS. We are here at the exhaust shop. Just got done talking to them. They should be taking the car back there here shortly. They're gonna let me pick my custom, what tips I want, all that good stuff. So we will see. All right, guys, here is the muffler and resonator delete. This would be somewhat of a cold start. All right. Y'all just heard the muffler and resonator delete. So it is straight piped where the resonator was all the way back. And we got these, what is 3.5? Yep. 3.5 inch tips. I wanted 4.5, but they only had these in stock, but they do not look bad at all. I made them make the tips stick out just a little bit. So I think it looks very nice. Definitely better than what the stock muffler and tips were doing. But we're not ending it there yet. We got some unequal length headers. These are made by PLM. We're gonna install these bad boys. See what they sound like. It came with the gaskets, and it came with only 2 bolts. So I'm guessing we're gonna be reusing some of the OEM ones. But yeah, guys, let's do it. Guys, we are going to take off the skid plate where the header is. We disconnected the O2 sensors. Make sure you remember to do that. Hey guys. All right, guys, we took the freaking stock header off. Stone, on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it? 7. 6. It really wasn't that hard. It was just some of like the bolts were in tricky places, and some of them were super freaking tight. But getting it out was hard. But yeah, and just getting it out was hard because my car is lowered, so it's a little tight up in there. But we're about to transfer the O2 sensors onto the unequal length headers, and then put them bad boys in. All right, so here's a comparison. Here's the stock headers at the top and the PLM unequal length headers at the bottom. We're about to transfer the O2 sensors on. Looks pretty straightforward. Got the 2 right there and then 2 right there. All right, guys.
What's up?
Alright guys, it's nighttime. I'm editing the video right now and I realized I forgot to record an ending. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the exhaust setup. Let me know in the comments how it sounds and if you're thinking about running this setup. And just drop a like if you enjoyed. I'm for sure going to be pumping out more content on the FRS. Personally, the exhaust, I love how it sounds. The only thing that's a little rough is the cold starts. They tend to be very loud and be a very clappy noise, which I'm not the biggest fan of. So, got this sweet wall. It's also giving me good lighting, but I tend to fix that with a open flash tablet tune, which this ending of this video is in the future. I already have that tablet and already put the tablet or the tune on my car, and I'll be making a whole other separate video on that. But sneak peek, it helped the cold start a lot. It's a lot more quiet, a lot more reasonable, a lot less annoying, thank goodness. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.